What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm making this ridiculously easy breakfast. It is ham and cheese scramble, and it's really good. You don't need that many ingredients. You just need some garlic salt, regular salt, pepper, some eggs, cheese. I have coarsely chopped cheese, but you can use whatever you like. Some bell pepper, onion. You might need more bell pepper than that. And some chopped ham, and that is it. Now I have 5 eggs here, but you need 8. I usually do 8, but I ran out of eggs and didn't feel like going to the store. I don't know how this recipe is going to turn out, but you usually need 8. If you have a family of like only 2 or 3, 4 or 5 eggs would be great, but we're a family of 6. But anyway, we're just gonna keep it moving. Anyway, let's get into this recipe. I forgot to mention, you're also going to need about, I guess a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to throw my butter in the pan, let that melt. And now I'm going to just go ahead and throw in my onions, my bell pepper, and my ham. And I'm going to let that kind of get toasty and let the vegetables get a little bit translucent, but not mushy. So, I don't know, about 5 minutes or so. While that's doing its thing, I'm gonna go ahead and get my eggs ready. So you're gonna add in your salt, pepper, and garlic salt. Don't be too heavy with the salt because this dish does have ham in it, and ham is naturally salty, so you don't want the dish to be overly salty. And I'm just going to whisk these together until they're nice and mixed. Once my ham and my veggies are toasted the way that I like, I'm going to go ahead and pour my eggs right in. And I don't start to scramble them until they get firm around the edges. You'll see what I mean in the video, but they're going to kind of have a yellow rim around it, and that's when you want to go ahead and start scrambling, unless you like your eggs fried hard. I like mine kind of soft. So whatever your preference is, but that's what I do. Here's what my eggs are looking like. Now I'm going to add my cheese. I added, I don't know, maybe about 1.5 cups of cheese. You can add more or less. We're a cheese family over here. We love the cheese. So I think I added about 1.5 cups. And remove your eggs from heat. And I'm going to put a lid on this to help the cheese melt down. So here is the finished product. Y'all, this looks amazing. I'm going to go ahead and plate this so that y'all can get the full experience. All right, while I'm doing that, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe, and there will be more videos to come. I know I have been missing in action, and I do have an excuse. It's called life. But I am back, and I will try to put out a video every week. Easy videos, easy to follow, so please hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Peace.